Howdy YouTube, Essex here with a little update video. I've been respinning my Ezarcher distro here, my Arch respins, and I've settled on limiting the ISOs right now for the time being. I might reconsider this to the KDE Plasma and the Xfce desktops. I just spun those up today, tested them on hardware and virtual machines. Everything seems to be cool. Everything works. Um, so that's what I'm going with for the moment. I do still provide all the templates, although not in the ISOs. The two ISOs, the KDE Plasma desktop and the Xfce desktop, contain the templates for those two builds alone. If you want the other templates in my files, in the project files, there is now a large tar file containing all of the build files, documentation, templates, so on and so forth. When you download that file and extract it, that's not what I meant that. We get this folder structure. So the documentation, extra packages are the package build files and all necessary files for the four packages: Calamares, CKB comp, OpenSwap, and Trizon, and the package builds as well. I know there's a bit of duplication here, but that's the way it is right now. One day I'll deduplicate this project. None of the packages are built. Calamares must be built each time you want to spin up an ISO. I suggest you do that on a fully updated system each time. I'm no longer providing the package for these four software packages. So that is now on the user, you, to spin those up on your own, create the local repository. All the instructions are in the package builds text with the commands. So shouldn't be a problem if you enjoy exploring what you're doing. The Relings folder contains a tar of the three most previous Reling directories. Now, Reling is the template that Arch provides for their ISOs. So the Arch ISO program just updated, I think, yesterday. So we're up to Arch ISO 74. So that is why we have 74 as the newest tar file here. I keep 64 around just because that was a seminal change in that, and I wanted to keep that for my own records, basically. It's no real use to anyone outside of curiosity. The install guides, the install scripts, the miscellaneous scripts, a tar of each of those packages, each of those folders, and then the templates. Now the templates are here, you can use them. You do have to build Calamares and the other three programs, create the local repo, copy it into the opt folder of the template you're wanting to build, and then run the steps sh script. All of this is covered in my various videos over the last 2 years on YouTube of how to do all this. Shouldn't be a mystery. I have a playlist. Just follow along on the videos, and hopefully you'll do what you need to do. I don't really provide support. If you have a question or two, I'll be happy to try to answer, but I'm not here to hold hands and help you respin these project files into your own distribution if that's what you intend to do. That is on you. Let's see, what else? So the SourceForge project page is updated. You can see the ISO folder now has the two ISOs and the two templates for those ISOs. and the MD5 sums for the ISO files. The project folder, the project files, has the tar package. No Cala just refers to no Calamares included. The templates, however, for Xfce and KDE do have the packages, the Calamares package, CKB comp, the Trison, and the MK OpenSwap. So everything in those templates is included to build that template. But the other template files are more bare bones, so to speak. I do have the project as well up on archive.org, so that is there for everyone to see. Same files as on SourceForge, no different. Just another way to get to them. If we go take a look at, let's see, the latest KDE ISO running, I changed desktop wallpaper. The wallpaper is the standard that whatever KDE applies on a KDE installation. I like this lake with the boats, so that's what I like to do with KDE. I don't make any other changes to KDE's look and feel. I like KDE out of the box. It's simple, it's clean, everything works. There is no confusion, no weird styles, no weird icons, no, yeah, it's just nice and simple, easy. So that's what you get with KDE. You get my normal assortment of packages, development packages, my one favorite game, a couple of graphics programs, a couple of internet programs, some multimedia, a little heavier on the multimedia end. It should be able to play almost any file you can find, whether audio, video, whatever. Office, document viewer, you can install your own Office package if you want. Settings, printing is included out of the box. Cups should be up and running on the live ISO and the installed system. Gparted, my EasyMate program. EasyMate is a little tool. I'll show it to you if I haven't done this already. It's a little tool that allows you to run system update, reset all the Pac-Man keys if you have a problem with your GPG keys for Pac-Man, regenerate the mirror list with Reflector. It will default to US mirrors. Clean package cache, clean up journal space, clean the user cache. User cache is the .cache folder in your home folder. It'll vacuum that out. Most of what you need to run will be recreated on the next boot anyway, minus all the cruft. Enable Bluetooth service. And that's about it for EasyMate. Gone are the options for Firewall D and OpenSnitch. So if you want a firewall program, install whatever you want, your choice. If you like OpenSnitch, install it. I found I never used either one of them, so why put them in there? Let's see, what else? Utilities, we got Genie for a nice text editor, lightweight IDE programming environment. Disks, GNOME Disks, I find that the most useful piece of GUI software for writing ISO and IMG files to flash media or thumb drives. Let's see, KCalc for a calculator, KeyPassX for a password manager, Spectacle for screenshot taking, Sweeper for system cleaning. And that's about it. You got your installer, which is Calamares, of course, HTOP to see what's going on with the system, grsync if you want to use that for creating backups, great little GUI for rsync. And that's about it, folks. So you can see there are updates. The reason this respin came so close on the last testing respin is I realized I had forgotten the package kit Qt5 package that allowed Discover in KDE to run. Not that you should be using Discover for updates or installations, but it can be handy for searching as well as, say, applying firmware updates. You can use it for that. But for package management, I really wouldn't go with the GUI package manager on Arch Linux. It's just not what's cool. So that's about it, folks. Hope you enjoy. Hope you have a Merry Christmas, Happy New Year, all that jazz. You will see me in another video at some point. And if I decide to reintroduce all of the previous 3 other ISOs, Cinnamon, Mate, and LXQT, I'll do that in the future. But for now, KDE and Xfce were the 2 most downloaded of the ISOs as far back as I can track. And they were always 2 most popular desktops. So that's what I'm going with for the moment. So take care, stay safe, have fun, happy holidays.